The federal judge ruled a special master should be appointed to review the evidence seized from former President Trump's Florida home last month, who will sort through the documents for personal items and potentially privileged material. NBC's Bree Jackson is in Washington with the details. Bree, what does this mean for the Justice Department's investigation moving forward?
Good morning, Dave. Yeah, well, much of the Justice Department's investigation into the classified documents is now on hold because of this ruling. DOJ says it's looking at the judge's opinion and considering next steps.
A legal victory for former President Trump. A federal judge granting his legal team's request for a third party, known as a special master, to review the evidence seized from Trump's Florida home. The ruling temporarily blocks the Justice Department's investigation into the classified documents recovered.
The Department of Justice will need to think long and hard about appealing this decision rather than letting it lie.
A detailed list of seized property shows Mr. Trump had more than 11,000 government-owned documents at Mar-a-Lago. 520 pages that may be considered privileged, including Mr. Trump's medical documents, correspondence related to taxes, and accounting information.
If I were the government, the most important thing to me would be that time is of the essence.
Mr. Trump reacted to the ruling on his Truth Social website, attacking the Justice Department and the FBI as totally corrupt.
The Mar-a-Lago raid was a desperate effort to distract from Joe Biden's record of misery and failure.
President Biden on the road Monday blasted Trump and what Mr. Biden calls extreme MAGA Republicans.
They're extreme, and democracy is really at stake. You can't be a democracy when you support violence, when you don't like the outcome of the election.
The judge set a Friday deadline for Trump's legal team and the Justice Department to submit recommendations for who could serve as the special master.
And while this ruling slows down the Justice Department's investigation, the judge is allowing the intelligence community to move forward with its damage assessment of potential national security risk. Dave?
Bree, former President Trump and his allies have claimed the FBI search was politically motivated. What did the judge say about the search in her ruling?
Yeah, well, Judge Cannon did agree with the federal government that there was no evidence of callous disregard of former President Trump's constitutional rights. But the judge also said that she's mindful of the historic nature of the FBI's search, calling the search of a former president's home undeniably unprecedented.
Okay, Bree Jackson with the latest. Thank you.